Did you know that the same blue and yellow can collecting dust in your garage could save you thousands of dollars in unnecessary car repairs? Here is the shocker. 95% of drivers, people think WD-40 is only for stopping squeaks, but that's just scratching the surface. Professional mechanics, restoration experts, and even racing teams have been using this versatile product for decades in ways most drivers have never heard about. In this video, we are revealing 11 WD-40 car hacks that almost nobody talks about. Hack number 6 alone has the potential to save you over $1,000 by preventing one of the most common and costly automotive repairs. Let's dive in. Hack number 11. Restore headlight. Cloudy, yellow headlights don't just make your car look old, they can reduce nighttime visibility by 30 to 60%. Over time, polycarbonate headlight lenses oxidize under harsh UV radiation, which, in turn, creates a hazy, microscopic layer of fractured plastic that scatters light and reduces your nighttime visibility by up to 60%. Dealerships will gladly charge you $150 to restore your oxidized, foggy headlights, but a precise application of WD-40 can bypass this expense entirely. The correct process requires you to first wash the lens with soap and water to remove surface grit and dry it completely. Then, spray the WD-40 formula directly onto a clean microfiber towel, rather than spraying it onto the vehicle's body where it could strip defensive paint wax. Rub the saturated cloth firmly across the lens surface using a tight, overlapping circular pattern. Buff the lens with a second clean microfiber towel until it looks clear and streak-free. The oils temporarily fill tiny surface imperfections, making the lens appear clearer and shinier for a short time. If your headlights are heavily yellowed or peeling, however, a proper sanding and UV protective restoration kit is the long-term solution. Hack number 10. Erase paint transfer. Have you ever lightly brushed against a shopping cart, garage wall, another car's bumper, or a painted pole and discovered an ugly streak of colored paint on your vehicle? The good news is that in many cases, it's paint transfer, not actual damage to your clear coat. That means the other object's paint is sitting on top of your vehicle's finish. Before you panic and call the body shop for a $500 repaint, grab your WD-40 can. Spray the WD-40 directly onto the scuff mark and let it sit for about 60 seconds. The formula breaks down the chemical bond of the foreign paint without hurting your car's clear coat. Take a clean microfiber towel and scrub in a circular motion. Wipe the transferred paint without pressing too hard. You will often see the foreign paint begin lifting off onto the cloth while your original paint remains underneath. Repeat the process if necessary instead of scrubbing aggressively. Once the paint transfer is gone, wash the area with car shampoo to remove the oily residue, then apply a coat of wax to restore protection. Hack number 9. Protect your ignition system from moisture. Did you know that after a heavy rainstorm or engine wash, many vehicles develop rough idling or random misfires simply because moisture gets trapped around the ignition coils? Thousands of ignition coils are replaced every year when the real problem is only moisture contamination. Since replacing one ignition coil can cost anywhere from $100 to over $500, but here, WD-40 works as a lifesaver. Start by making sure the engine is completely cool and the ignition is turned off. Remove one ignition coil or spark plug wire at a time so you don't accidentally mix them up. Inspect the rubber boot of ignition coil for cracks or oil contamination. Spray a very small amount of WD-40 onto a clean microfiber cloth and wipe the outside of the rubber boot. Then, give a quick, light spray inside the boot, just enough to displace any moisture. Now, wait for a few seconds to let it dry completely. After waiting, reinstall the coil firmly until you hear or feel it click into place before moving to the next cylinder. Beware, never spray WD-40 directly into the electrical connector or onto the engine computer. This simple maintenance step is especially useful before the rainy season and helps reduce the risk of moisture-related ignition problems. Hack number 8. Remove tree sap and bird poop. Dried tree sap and baked-on bird droppings are highly dangerous organic contaminants. This is because bird droppings maintain an acidic pH level between 3.5 and 4.5 that can permanently etch into your paintwork within hours under 90-degree sunlight. And attempting to scrape or scrub these hardened spots off dry will inevitably create deep vertical scratches down to the primer, which may lead to a mandatory $300 professional paint correction process. But you can neutralize this risk completely by using WD-40. To execute this safely, spray a concentrated blast of the WD-40 directly onto the contaminant and let it sit undisturbed for 2 to 3 minutes so the petroleum elements can fully saturate and relax the crust. Once the substance softens, lay a clean microfiber cloth flat over the spot and gently lift upward in a single direction. Once the sap is completely removed, wash the area with car shampoo and water to eliminate any oily residue. Finish by applying wax or paint sealant to restore protection to the cleaned surface. Hack number 7. Instantly remove stubborn rust from nuts and bolts. Ask any professional mechanic what turns a simple repair into a nightmare, and many will say the same thing: broken, rusty bolts. In fact, a snapped exhaust bolt or suspension bolt can easily add $300 to over $1,000 in extra labor because drilling, extracting, or replacing damaged hardware takes time. Before attempting to loosen any rusty bolt, use a wire brush to remove loose rust and dirt around the threads. Then, spray WD-40 generously around the base of the bolt from every angle until the threads are thoroughly wet. Allow it to soak for at least 15 to 30 minutes. This waiting time gives the penetrating formula enough time to work its way into the tiny gaps between the rust and the metal, which helps reduce friction and loosen corrosion. For severely rusted bolts, spray another coat every 10 minutes for about an hour before trying again. When loosening the bolt, avoid applying one long, hard pull. Instead, gently tighten it a tiny amount first, then loosen it slowly by moving it back and forth to break the rust bond without snapping the fastener. This simple technique greatly increases your chances of removing stubborn hardware safely and can save hundreds of dollars in unnecessary repair costs. Hack number 6. Protect the fuel door and fuel cap mechanism. Here is a problem that usually happens at the worst possible time. You pull into a gas station with your fuel gauge on empty, press the fuel door release, and nothing happens. Mechanics say stuck fuel doors are especially common on vehicles that are more than 5 years old, particularly in areas with heavy rain, road salt, or dusty conditions. A broken fuel door actuator or latch can cost you anywhere from $200 to over $600 to replace. Fortunately, most of these problems start with something simple like dirt, corrosion, and moisture building up around the hinge and latch. To prevent this, open the fuel door and use a clean microfiber cloth to wipe away dust, mud, and any old grease. Next, attach the precision straw to your WD-40 can and spray a very small amount onto the hinge pivot, spring mechanism, and latch pin. Open and close the fuel door 10 to 15 times so the WD-40 reaches every moving part. Finally, wipe away any excess product to avoid attracting dirt. Spending just 2 minutes every few months can keep the fuel door operating smoothly and help you avoid an expensive repair when you least expect it. Hack number 5. Keep your hood latch from failing. Here is something most drivers never think about until it's too late: the hood latch. If this small mechanism seizes due to rust or dirt, then you may not be able to open the hood when your battery dies, your engine overheats, or you need to check your oil. Fortunately, preventing this problem is incredibly easy. Open your hood and locate both the primary latch and the secondary safety catch near the front center of your vehicle. Wipe away any old grease, dust, or debris using a clean cloth. Next, spray a small amount of WD-40 directly onto all the moving pivot points, springs, and latch hooks. Close the hood gently until it latches, and then reopen it 5 to 10 times so the product works into every moving surface. Finally, wipe away any excess and inspect the hood release cable for signs of fraying or damage. Performing this quick maintenance every 3 to 6 months keeps the latch operating smoothly and helps ensure you can always access your engine compartment when you need it most. Hack number 4. Remove dealership sticker and glue residue. Dealership bumper stickers and vinyl promotional emblems are secured to your vehicle using industrial-grade, pressure-sensitive acrylic adhesives that are specifically engineered to withstand high-pressure car washes and extreme weather. Instead of reaching for a razor blade that could scratch the glass or paint, spray WD-40 directly onto the adhesive residue until it's lightly coated. Let it soak for 3 to 5 minutes so the solvent can break down the glue. Next, use a plastic scraper or an old credit card to gently lift the softened adhesive. Wipe away the loosened residue with a microfiber cloth and repeat the process if necessary for thicker glue. Once everything is removed, clean the area with glass cleaner or car shampoo to eliminate any remaining oily film. This simple trick leaves the surface looking clean without damaging the paint or glass underneath. Hack number 3. The engine bay detailer trick. Ever wonder how used car dealers get engine bays looking so insanely clean? Here is the shocking part. They don't detail them for hours. They use WD-40. To achieve this exact factory-fresh look safely, wait for the engine to cool completely, and then lightly dust away loose dirt with a soft brush. After that, apply a controlled mist of WD-40 directly onto a clean rag or the plastic engine covers, air intake boxes, and hoses. Wipe the surfaces down thoroughly with a clean cloth to leave behind a microscopic, anti-static, hydrophobic barrier that not only provides a rich, dark satin finish, but actively repels future road dust and moisture accumulation. Critical warning: you must strictly avoid spraying the fluid anywhere near your alternator, your ignition coil packs, or your rubber serpentine drive belt. Hack number 2. The license plate rust proofing. We have all seen cars where the license plate screws have rusted and caused ugly brown streaks to bleed down the license plate and bumper. In such a case, you would need to replace a damaged plate or install a new registration frame. That's why once a year, remove each screw using the correct screwdriver and clean the threads with a small wire brush to knock off rust and dirt. Spray a light coat of WD-40 on the screw threads and the bare metal on the back of the license plate, then let it sit for about a minute. Reinstall the plate, tighten the screws, and wipe away any excess. This simple 1-minute maintenance creates a protective barrier that blocks moisture and oxygen, effectively cutting off the electrical and chemical pathway required for rust to form. Hack number 1. The ultimate squeak diagnostic. If your car sounds like an old rocking chair every time you go over a speed bump, you probably have a bad suspension bushing. But replacing a whole suspension arm just to find a noise is expensive. That's why you can use WD-40 as an acoustic diagnostic tool to pinpoint the exact failure location without spending a dime at a shop. Raise your vehicle safely on jack stands, isolate one specific rubber suspension joint, and spray it thoroughly with the WD-40. After that, take your car for a brief test drive. If the squeaking noise vanishes completely, it means you have successfully found the exact part that needs replacing. That's all for this video. These practical WD-40 tricks can save time, reduce repair costs, and keep your car looking sharp. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these hacks blew your mind the most. I will see you in the next video.